to the special guest, the respected head teacher of Sofirunnisa Girls High School, the honorable teachers, dear guardians, my classmates, my elder and younger sisters. At first accept my cordial salam. Assalamu alaikum. I am Fahmida, a student of class 7. Today is a very important day for us. In a little while, the results of our annual examination of 2025 will be published. This moment has brought a mixed feelings to us. Little excitement, some joy, along with a touch of fear and anxiety. Throughout this year, we worked hard and studied with great concentration. Our teachers teach us the knowledge of Bangla, English, Math, etc. I express my deep respect and gratitude to all of my teachers. Finally, I pray to Allah that today is blessed for all of us. May our school shine even brighter with the light of education. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.